Your middle school purchased new football uniforms for $2,275.88. A 6.75% sales tax is applied. The shipping cost, 0.9% of the cost of the uniforms pre-tax. So total cost of uniforms not including the tax. Note, tax is not applied to the shipping. The tax is applied to the cost of the uniforms before the shipping cost is added. How much did the uniforms cost the school in all? So I went ahead and I started showing some work. So to figure out the sales tax, we take 6.75% of the $2,275.88. Well, 6.75% as a decimal is 0.0675 because you take the 6.75% and you move the decimal 2 times to the left. So that's how I got that 0.0675. Then I multiply those two together and we get 153.6219, and then we just need to round. So I'll make this just a little bit larger to make it easier to round. And with money, you need 2 decimal places. So that's the hundredths place, the 1 is the decision maker. So 4 or less, this number is in that group 4 or less, so you let it rest at $153.62. So $153.62, that is the sales tax. Then I start over here writing the shipping cost. Well, the shipping cost is 0.9% of the cost of uniforms before tax is added. So before tax is added, that amount is that $2,275, $2,275.88. And when I type that into the calculator, I get this value. And then I'm just going to enlarge this whole thing since they're all attached together. And then we can round it to the nearest hundredth. So the 2 is the hundredth spot. The 9 will bump this up to $204.83. And this is the shipping cost. So now we have to figure out how much the school paid in all. So we're going to need to add, I'll come down here to this purple section where we're adding everything together. And we have the original price. Then we add the sales tax, which was $153.62. And then we add to that the shipping cost, $204.83. And then we add those 3 numbers together. And when you add those 3 prices together, we get $2,634.33. So your middle school pays, I'll put a $sign and then paste the amount for new football uniforms. And before we, say we're finished with this problem, you should always reread the question to make sure you really answer the question properly. How much did the uniforms cost the school in all? So we applied the sales tax and we applied the shipping cost. And excellent, so that should be the price of the uniforms in total.